In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PNG with transparent background in Affinity. By the end, you'll have a clean PNG where the white background is gone, and the subject sits on true transparency, perfect for logos, overlays, and web graphics. Start by choosing the Flood Select tool. You'll find it in the main toolbar. It looks like a paint bucket with a selection icon. This tool lets you select areas of similar color in a single click, which is ideal for grabbing a uniform white background without touching your subject. With the tool active, set the tolerance to 10 in the context toolbar at the top. Tolerance controls how similar neighboring pixels must be to be included in the selection. A value of 10 is a gentle starting point that targets the white background while avoiding lighter details in your image. If you notice it isn't catching all the white, you can nudge it up a little. If it's reaching into your subject, bring it down. The goal is a clean selection that hugs the background and leaves edges intact. Next, make sure both contiguous and anti-alias are enabled. Contiguous ensures the selection only includes areas that touch each other, so separate white pockets inside your artwork aren't selected unless they're connected. Anti-alias softens the selection edge slightly, helping prevent jagged outlines and giving you smoother results once the background is removed. Now click directly on the white background in your canvas to create the selection, then press delete on your keyboard. You should see the background disappear and a checkerboard pattern appear, which indicates transparency. If nothing happens, double check that you're working on an unlocked pixel layer rather than a protected background layer. If too much of your subject vanished, undo, lower the tolerance, and try again. This quick adjust and try approach helps you dial in a crisp edge without fringing. With transparency in place, head to the top right of the interface and click the drop-down arrow to access quick export options. Choose PNG from the list. PNG supports an alpha channel, so it preserves the transparent areas you just created without adding a white or black fill. Finally, click Export PNG. Pick your save location, confirm the file name, and complete the export. Your image will remain transparent when placed over other colors or images. That's it. Simple and reliable. If you notice faint halos after export, slightly lower the tolerance or verify anti-alias is on before deleting. Enjoy your clean, transparent PNG ready for any project.